Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Pam. Recently I did a video going down to a local health food store. Okay, so we have made it to the natural health food store that I have been shopping at. So if you are ever in the area, don't forget to stop by. I love that little store. I had to go back again to my local natural food store, which is Berrybrook, to get some more things. And when I went in there, they gifted me quite a few things. And I just wanted to show you because it's so amazing. Oh, this whole bag is full of stuff. And this bag is not light, okay? There's even a little note in here, handwritten note. And this note says, "Hi Pam, thanks so much for supporting our little store. I have included some of my favorite bulk items and new products that we are carrying. With love, Berrybrook team." This is amazing. I'm gonna keep this. And so I wanted to show you and unbox it, so to speak, with you. So without further ado, let's go see what's in this bag, okay? First off, from their bulk section, I know the store, so I know the area. The bulk section, these are organic pumpkin seeds. Oh my goodness, y'all know y'all know what I'm getting ready to do. I can't help it. I can't help it. Delicious. I love nuts and seeds. I have to make sure this is closed properly again, since I opened it, because I don't want them to spill out before I can properly store them. Let me make sure. Okay, they're good. Isn't that wonderful? Love that. So, and I haven't been through this bag yet, y'all. So we're going through it together. These are some organic Indian lentils. Oh my goodness, lentils, red beans, and spices simmered in a creamy tomato sauce. And I don't know if this is a Tasty Bite product. Oh my goodness. Pretty much ready to serve. You heat, you can put it over rice, you can eat as is. Love this. Love that. Okay, let's see what else. Cayenne pepper. I love cayenne pepper. It has an array of health benefits, but I'm not going into that. This is 90,000 HU. That's the heat level of it. So it's a really good one. I use this for cooking. Believe it or not, I use it in my garden. It's pest control in the garden. It's cooking. I put cayenne pepper in my tea. Yes, I love ginger tea with a tad bit of cayenne pepper in there. I like green tea with a tad bit of cayenne pepper in there. I like lemon tea with honey and a little cayenne pepper. When I say a little cayenne pepper, I usually put maybe about a 4th teaspoon in my cup, and that's quite a lot at this heat level, but I've been doing it for so long, it's not that hot for me. Thank you, Berrybrook Natural Foods. Okay, moving right along, because I don't want to keep y'all here all day for a haul. Let me see what else is in here. Oh, what is this? Oh, plant-based protein chocolate. Oh my goodness. It's only made with 6 ingredients. See that? And let's see. It has no dairy, no stevia, no gums, no soy, no flow agents, no emulsifiers, no gluten, no GMO, no weird ingredients. It literally says, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It literally says no weird ingredients. I love that. Protein powder. Plant-based. I love it. Ooh. Y'all know I love salty chips and salty things as opposed to sweet. Veggie straws. Amazing. Yes, veggie straws. Potato, tomato, and spinach puffs. Okay, let me see what else we have in here. We have 2 of these, looks like. Let's see. Yes, these are organic black beans. Yes, good for the planet. They're organic and they have nothing artificial, low sodium, high fiber, non-GMO, verified. Yes, awesome. Let me see here. Packed in Italy. That's wonderful as well. And they are ready to eat. Heat and eat. Yes, delicious. Awesome. Love that. Let's see. What else we have in here? Oh, there's another bag in the bag too. Just sea salt, regular sea salt. That's amazing. Oh, yes. Joolies. These are dates, organic dates. If you need a sweetener and you want a natural sweetener, like you can put in smoothies, you can use them in baked goods, anything. Dates, especially if you are going to emulsify something, a date is a really, really good natural sweetener. So these are going to come in handy. They're already pitted. Oh, yes. Love that. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, I'm gonna leave the bag, whatever in the bag, I'm gonna leave that for last. It's a bag in the bag. Oh my goodness. This says Dream and this says Defend. These are drinks. This is an immunity blend. This is a sleep blend. The sleep blend is cherry berry and the immunity blend is pineapple. Look at that. Yes. Let me see here. These have, let's see, the immunity blend is made with vitamin C, ginger, turmeric, pineapple juice, and it's free from gluten, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, soybean, and sesame. Yes, always zero sugar, non-GMO, and tasty. No, and tasty. Actually, it says it damn tasty, but okay. That's what's on the bottle. That's what's on the can. All right, and this is Sleep Blend. It says free from wheat, milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, soybean, and sesame. Always vegan, non-GMO, and damn tasty. Okay? Look, see? That's what it says on the bottle. That ain't me. I'm just saying. Thank you. I love those. I love those. What else is it? Oh, another drink. Yes. Matcha Super Green. Oh my goodness. This is tea. Tea bags are in here. Let's see. I'm gonna see. Can I open this up and see? Nope, it's taped up. I won't open it up. Wonderful. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is organic peanut butter. Ooh, y'all know I gotta open this. I gotta taste it. Hold on, be right back. I need to grab a spoon. Okay, let's see. All natural peanut butter. They do have a peanut butter machine back there. So this probably was made just from peanuts. And that's amazing. That means nothing's in here but the peanuts. Oh my goodness. I can't put my spoon back in there because I licked off of it. Anyway, I'll get some more later. Delicious. Oh my God, that's good. Thank you so much. And now let's get to the bag that's in the bag. Okay, so this is just a nice little, this is Carlson Nutritional Supplements. This is just a nice little bag. You know, everybody wants you to bring your own bag now. Some stores are stopped giving you bags all together. So I really appreciate this little bag because it's all so small. Sometimes you only have one or two things and you don't need this big old shopping bag. You just need something to stick your item in so you can get out the store. Okay, let's see what's in here. My favorite. I'm gonna leave that one for last because I see what it is. Let's see, what is this? One of my favorites, but y'all know, anybody's been with me for any length of time, no, you already know. Garlic powder and onion powder are my go-to. I put garlic powder and onion powder, not garlic salt, not onion salt, powder, okay? You can add your own little salt in there, on everything. Organic onion powder. So that's amazing. Okay, and let's see what else is in here. These are just some supplements, super omega-3. That's good too. And last but not least, my favorite, local honey. Oh my goodness. If you can get your hands on local honey wherever you are, that is by far going to be the best honey that you can have for yourself, for your family, and for your food, okay? Local is best. This is Wildflower raw 100% pure honey. That's it. It'll last forever, even if it crystallizes. That's a natural processing of it. I did a video on that as well. And that natural processing of it, all you need to do, stick it in some hot water, the whole jar. Loosen your top just a tad bit. Put it in hot water about halfway up your jar. Let it sit for a few minutes. It'll uncrystallize. Use it as you normally would. Okay, that was a wonderful haul. I'm so appreciative of all these things. Thank you so much, Berry Brook Natural Foods. This is amazing. I'm just putting it all up here so maybe you all can kind of see all of it at once. And oh my goodness, I am happy-wappy over this. Yes, this is amazing. Oh, let's not forget our little bag. Let's not forget our little bag. Okay. So we'll just put the bag, let's see, we'll just put it right here like that, so it'll be in there too. Isn't this wonderful? Thank you so much once again, and thank all of you all for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. It's something a little bit different. I'll be back to cooking soon, but I just had to share with you all. This was a wonderful gift. I appreciate it, and I just wanted you all to be a part of me unboxing it. So, I will see you all soon, the good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.